Hello, Celine from the Woolbaa here, and I'm wearing a texture design, Celine pattern 691, made using Bellissimo 8 ply. Now the size I'm wearing is small medium and it uses 13 balls. The next size up uses 15 balls. It's a really easy fit, so it's great for a beginner knitter. If you've just done scarves up to now and you want to do an easy project, this sweater would be the one for you. Got crew neck, drop shoulder, lazy, baggy fit. In fact, could fit somebody else in here if it wasn't for the social distancing rules. I'll give a bit of a twirl so that you can see the back. But it's a great garment, nice and comfortable to wear. The yarn is lovely and soft against my skin. The colour that it's knitted in is colour 222, and strangely this is it in the pattern. They made the garment. This is the garment I'm wearing, is the one that was photographed. So can you believe that's so different? And this often happens when you're looking at patterns. If you're looking for a colour that's in the pattern, sometimes it really doesn't exist. There is a lovely grey too in the light grey, colour 223, that's beautiful. But I think we might need a pop of colour this winter. So 220 is my go-to. I think I have to knit this. It's quite a popular colour anyway in the fashion world at the moment, but I think this would be perfect. Cheer us all up. Anyway, if you like the pattern, click on the link provided in this post. It'll take you through to more detail on our website, and also all of the colours that are Bellissimo there. So go have a look.